What's up, guys? Welcome back to Honest Cooks. I was just wondering if I have a favorite shape. Do you have a favorite shape? I think mine would be a triangle. I thought about circles. Our channel logo is a circle. I thought about squares and rectangles. Phones and books are rectangular, but triangles are unique. Although very architecturally popular in our daily lives, they are quite rare. On the flip side, what would be an item that is extremely popular? I think a potato. Every home has some, I guess. Even this video has a potato in the end. It's quite versatile. You could eat it as is. Of course, you'd cook it. I hope you'd cook it. You could make it into a salad, or you could turn it into vodka. And now, as I speak to you, I am wondering if I can combine a triangle and a potato. The first person to have combined a triangle and potatoes must have been a genius of sorts, so we decided to take it up a notch and add chicken. But apparently people have done that too. So, for an honest cook's twist, we will put the samosa filling into an empanada. Yes, we're making samosas today. Oh, did I not say that? Oh, okay. Well, I said it now. We're making samosas today. We'll start by boiling the potatoes, and when they're ready, we'll peel and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Let's cook the filling and heat some oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add the cumin seeds and the coriander seeds. And once they begin to pop, we will add in the ginger, garlic, chilies, and onions. Add in a splash of water to deglaze the pan. When the onions have browned, we will add in the powdered spices and the salt. Add in another splash of water and then add in your potatoes. For the chicken filling, I prefer baking and shredding the chicken instead of mincing it so that the chicken won't dry out when we fry it or bake it. And we'll make the chicken filling with the same spices that we used for the potato filling and the exact same steps. To get the perfect dough, the fat to flour ratio is very important. Start with 5 tablespoons of oil to 1 cup of dough. When you're able to make a loose dough dumpling like such, you can start sprinkling water and bringing the dough together. Remember, this is a tough dough. Don't add a lot of water to it. When the dough is ready, let it take a short nap of say 20 minutes and then we'll roll it out. Portion the dough as equally as possible and then we will roll it out. The thinner we roll it, the crispier the cover will be. And once we've rolled out the dough into a round disc, we will divide it down the center to get 2 semicircles. Using one semicircle at a time, fold it to get a triangular funnel-like shape. Fill in your filling and seal it with water. To make the empanada type of shape, roll out a smaller circle as thin as you can, put the filling in the center and make a half moon out of it. Press the corners with the fork so that it does not puff up in the oven. We'll bake the empanadas at 350 degrees Celsius until they're brown and crispy. With my oven, this process took about 12 minutes. To fry the samosas, first bring your oil to a very high temperature and then turn the flame to medium. Let it sit on medium for a few minutes before you drop your triangles filled with potatoes into the hot oil. And you will know these are done when the color changes to a lovely golden brown. There you have it, guys. We successfully combined potatoes not only with triangles but also with semicircles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Honest Cooks. And as always, have a lovely day.